2 meters forward, please. Okay, something coming into view now. That looks to be the bow.
Well, the Fugro expedition was, of course, 100% successful.
We have found AE1.
The aim of that mission was to locate the wreck, to identify it positively and to get what imagery we could. Although that imagery was very helpful in giving us an initial idea of the condition of the wreck, it was apparent that if we were going to have a proper baseline survey, it would have to be with equipment that was more sophisticated, and for that at some stage we would have to return.
We've had a marvellous opportunity to take advantage of it. Petrel, the owner, Mr. Paul Allen, has made his ship and highly experienced crew available.
Mr. Allen has a keen interest in the archaeology side of it, the marine sciences, but the history side is very important to him.
The ROV is a 6,000 meter ROV. It's all electric. It's 6,000 meter capable. It operates on 4,500 volts of electricity. We send that down, it gets distributed, and the feed from the cameras come up through a fiber optic cable.
Okay, ROV is on its way down. ROV heading is 210.
15 to contact.
The first ROV sighting of HMAS AE1. 103 years in the making.
So we've just fitted one of the stills cameras to the ROV, and we'll be capturing thousands of photographs. Our aim is to capture every single angle, every particular surface of the wreck so that we can do a 3D reconstruction in post-production.
The ROV pilots on Petrel are really impressive, and we're starting to see some of the imagery of AE1 come in. So here you can see the pilots using the manipulator arm to film the telegraph. This was the device on the bridge that was used to communicate between the bridge and the engine room. And if we can figure out what position that telegraph is in, that may give us a clue as to what led to the submarine's loss.
We've collected over 8,000 images during the expedition. We've also managed to process some of the results, and we've been able to show that to the crew, and everyone's very excited about the results we've been able to achieve on this expedition.
The data that we've gathered from the Petrel expedition is massive. Every time I look at it, I see something different, something new, and another conclusion or another mystery. It's all quite fascinating.
It will be incredibly beneficial to us in the long run. We'll be able to generate our photogrammetric model of the wreck site. It'll be great for exhibition and interpretation outcomes. It's going to be the means by which we can best strategize how we will manage the wreck in the future.